Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Info Girl, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Now, I am super passionate about helping you understand financial products so you can make the best decision for your wallet. Now, today we've got an exciting showdown, the Citi Custom Cash Card versus the Costco Anywhere Visa Card. Now, both of these cards are issued by Citibank. So, whether you're a cashback lover or a Costco supporter, we're diving deep into what each of these cards have to offer. Now, let's go ahead and kick things off by discussing the credit scores required for approval. Now, if you're like most people, credit scores can definitely be a little bit more difficult or challenging, especially if you're not clearly understanding what you need for approval of any credit card or any type of loan approval. Now, both of these cards, generally speaking, require a good to excellent credit score for approval. We're talking about a range of about 690 to 850 on the FICO scale. Specifically, the Citi Custom Cash Card typically has a sweet spot around the mid upper 600s, while the Costco Anywhere Visa card seems to be favored with those with a higher credit score, resembling a target range from the 700 and up. Now, remember though, the credit scores are only part of the equation. Lenders like to look at your complete picture, your credit history, total debt to income, and your income in general. So keep that in mind. They also do look at how long you've been at your job, if you're renting a home, or if you currently have a home loan. They pretty much look at the whole credit profile. So, how do you get pre approved? Pre approval is a great way to help you with your chances without affecting your credit score. Now, you can start this process by heading over to the Citi website. There, you will find a simple application that asks you for some personal information, including your social security number, income, and employment status. Now, the cool thing is you will typically receive a pre approval decision within a few minutes. This allows you to approach your credit card journey with confidence. And hey, pro tip, pre approval do involves a soft pull of your credit, which means your credit score will not be affected. Now that you guys have a clear understanding on that, let's go ahead and dive into the important nitty gritty. What credit file do they pull from when reviewing your application? Now, most credit card issuers, including Citi, mainly rely on reports from three major credit bureaus, so Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Now, it's a bit of a lottery as you often won't know which bureau they'll pull from until you get that decision. Now, many applicants have reported that Citi tends to favor Experian, but results can vary. Try to stay on top of your credit across all three major credit bureaus. Now that we got that part covered for the pre approval process, let's go ahead and talk limits. Now, credit limits, to be exact, both credit cards offer unique financial characters and the limits. Now, for the Citi Custom Cash Card, you can expect a credit limit that typically ranges from 1,000 to 10,000 or even more, depending on your credit worthiness. Now, the beautiful part here is that this card offers flexibility with its cashback rewards, allowing you to earn 5% on top of your eligible spending categories. Now, each billing cycle, think of it as a personal cashback champion. Now, as you guys can see with the Citi Custom Cash Card, you can also earn $200 cash back after qualifying purchases, so you can enjoy their low intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. As I did mention, you could earn the 5% cash back on eligible categories. Most of spend of $500 of each billing cycle. You can plus earn an additional 4% total cash back on hotels, car rentals, booked through City Travel. You can also get 5 points per $1 on purchases in your top eligible spending category each billing cycle, up to the first $500 spent. Also, 1 point per $1 on all other purchases. You can also redeem your points for cash back as a direct deposit, statement credit, or check. You can even explore other ways to redeem points, including for gift cards for your friends or loved ones. Travel and shop with points at Amazon.com. Now, as you guys can also see, there is no annual fee, no authorized user fee. The APR, the balance transfer rate, the balance transfer fee, it all ranges from on the higher end at 28.24% based on credit worthiness, or balance transfer rates on the higher end again at 28.24 percent, and then the balance transfer fee is either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. Now let's go ahead and shift our focus to the Costco Anywhere Visa card. Now with this card, the credit limit can also be competitive, ranging anywhere from 5,000 minimum limit to potentially exceeding up to $25,000 for those with excellent credit. And when I mean excellent credit and an excellent credit profile. Now, with this range, it reflects just how much the cardholder's credit score and financial profile will impact their limits. Now, the trade off, you have to be a Costco member to apply. Now, if you are not, you can apply through their website at Costco.com to become a member, starting off at $65 per year or at $130 per year. Now, they do have different memberships that you can check out on their website, but I think this card could benefit someone if you're an avid shopper. Now, these rewards will be and are worth it. Now, with the Costco Anywhere Visa credit card, they do offer cash back on all of your purchases, including purchases from Costco and Costco.com. They do also offer a 5% cash back on gas at Costco and 4% cash back on other eligible gas. They offer 3% on restaurants and eligible travel, including Costco travel, and then also 2% cash back on all other purchases from Costco and Costco.com. And they also offer 1% cash back on all other purchases. It's also pretty much similar to the Citi Custom Cash Card, no annual fee. With your paid Costco membership, no authorized user fee. The purchase rate is all based on credit worthiness. The balance transfer rate is also based on credit worthiness, which is at 19.49%, but on the lower end at 27.49%. Again, they have a balance transfer fee, either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap things up. The Citi Custom Cash Card tends to be more flexible regarding pre approvals and limits while offering exciting cashback opportunities. And the Costco Anywhere Visa Card is a brilliant choice for consistent Costco shoppers who desire a robust credit line and generous rewards on everyday purchases. Now, which card would you prefer? Do you lean more towards your cashback flexibility, or are you a loyal Costco shopper looking for maximizing your rewards? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next video, and make sure to be financially savvy.